Hi friends, today we have a nice exponential equation 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power x plus 6 to the power x minus 9 to the power x is equal to 1. Okay, so let's start. 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus, if we break this, 2 square to the power x plus this as 3 into 2 to the power x minus 3 square to the power x is equal to 1, right? Now 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x square plus 3 to the power x into 2 to the power x minus 3 to the power x square is equal to 1, right? Because a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power n to the power n, right? Let 2 to the power x is equal to a and 3 to the power x is equal to b, right? So this equation can transform as a plus b minus a square, this as ab and minus b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, if we rearrange this equation with sign, right, 1 minus a minus b plus a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 0, right? If we multiply whole equation by 2, so 2 minus 2a minus 2b plus 2a square minus 2ab plus 2b square is equal to 0, right? Now again we rearrange the equation. If we take a square from this, a square minus 2a and 1 from here plus 1, right, plus from here b square minus 2b plus 1 from here, right? Now we have remain a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 0, right? This is the expression of a minus 1 whole square plus this as b minus 1 whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 0, right? Now we have three cases. A minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, or b minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 and a minus b whole square is equal to 0, right? So a minus 1 will be equal to 0, as we have assumed a is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So 2 to the power x will be equal to 1, right? Or we can write 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 0, right? So same base x is equal to 0, right? And here b minus 1 will be equal to 0. B, as we have assumed, 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So 3 to the power x is equal to 1. 3 to the power x is equal to 1 can be written as 3 to the power 0, right? So x is equal to 0. Here a minus b will be equal to 0 or a will be equal to b, right? Now we can safely say x is equal to 0 is only solution, right? So x is 0, x is 0 and a is equal to b. So here 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power x. This will be only possible when 2 to the power 0 is equal to 3 to the power 0, x equal to 0 also, right? So okay friends, thank you.